Now for our weather chat, and today we are talking about blizzards. Although at times it did look very blizzardy yesterday, there is a specific definition when it comes to a blizzard.
Yeah, so first of all, you need sustained or frequent wind gusts of 35 miles per hour or higher, falling and blowing snow, which reduces visibility to less than a quarter of a mile, and you need conditions that are these two to last 3 hours or more. And the fun thing that we talked about is it doesn't even need to snow. You can have snow that fallen during a previous time that just gets blown around and kind of stirred up from the wind that could create that reduced visibility.
Yeah, so it's really about the wind and visibility when it comes to a blizzard. The snow is obviously what plays into the visibility issues. Yesterday, we had a blizzard warning go up for parts of southwest Louisiana, East Texas. We talked about that live on air. And those are obviously not very common in these parts.
Yeah, the first time ever, which is still blows my mind that that happened. And I pulled some data from Texas because we've never had a blizzard warning in our area, our San Antonio, Austin National Weather Service office, but it's happened to several other Texas offices. Amarillo and Lubbock, of course, they get the winds up there in the plains and they get the stirring up all the snow, so that makes sense. That was from January 5th last year. Midland, 789 days, so about 2 years or more. El Paso, 4,421 days. That's probably honestly from the New Mexico, some of those counties that were down there. And then San Angelo, 5,507 days. How about 2009, last time that office issued one?
Yeah, I mean, I guess it doesn't surprise me. The only thing that might be a little bit more of a, that's interesting, is El Paso, because El Paso does, get first of all, they're higher elevation and they're at the bottom of the higher terrain of New Mexico. So they do get snow there, and sometimes they can get some really wicked winds there in the high desert. So it surprises me that maybe we don't see that as frequent than, let's say, West Texas. But obviously, if you've been to Lubbock, spent some time in Amarillo or Midland, you know that those winds could really rip.
Yeah, absolutely. So nothing in Austin, but of course, with the stuff that happened in Louisiana, I'm like, you might as well see, because it made me curious. The updated snow depth here, notice that we had a little bit of less than an inch for the Austin area, more significant amounts for coastal parts of Georgia and the Carolinas right off the coast there. They got some good accumulating snow in southern parts of Louisiana, the panhandle of Florida, southern Mississippi, and Alabama. We were talking about record-breaking snow. Milton, Florida, 8.8 inches. Their previous record was about 4 inches.
Yeah, and Milton is right near Pensacola, so the fact that they're over half a foot of snow in the Florida panhandle is very impressive. And to everybody's surprise this morning in the studio was the fact that they do have snowplows in Florida, and they do have the equipment to de-ice and salt the road. So they were prepared, despite the fact that it was obviously an extreme event. Not common to see snowfall this far south along the northern Gulf Coast. Yeah,
the snow on the Gulf beaches and water were just some images on social media that I was just completely in awe of.
And we got a little piece of that here in Austin. That's where it started. So as always, you can find more in-depth weather always on our website, kxan.com.